Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette with PoshPaperPerfection and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I am so excited to share my first craft haul. Alright, anybody who knows me knows UPS, FedEx, and USPS know my address very, very well. Oh man, I work to craft. Anybody else like that? Alright, before we get started, hey guys, I would appreciate it greatly if you would go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you do subscribe, make sure you comment so I can thank you personally. It's because of you guys that I grow and makes me more excited to share everything. If you're new to my channel and you're not sure why you're here, okay, I have been crafting for 3 years and I want to take the guesswork out for you of how to do things. So I share the very best tips and tricks that I've learned. I share other crafters that I absolutely adore that I've learned from, and I try to create my own content and give you inspiration to think outside the box when you craft. So, and if you've never ever seen my videos, make sure you check on this card. I have to tell you, I am a big Anna Griffin fan. I love dies, and I will tell you the very best dies to get, which one brand is Anna Griffin. And I made this absolutely amazing birdhouse with her die, and you can see that video there. But let's get to the craft haul, okay? So in my hand, I have the first thing that I don't have to unwrap because I got it from Michael's. Ta-da! I got Copics. Yes, those are all the Copics that I got, okay? And I got all of these Copics for $40. If you know Copics, they run about $7.99 to $10. And yes, you can get them on Amazon. I have actually 3 more sets from Amazon coming, but these I got from Michael's. They were buy one for full price, get the second one for half price. And then I got 15% because I am a Michael's member. So I was really, really excited about that. As you can see, they're all like kind of bluish, greenish colors. Is because of something that's in here. So let's get to HSN. HSN, that's how I usually buy my Anna Griffin products. And let me tell you, she might as well be selling me drugs. Because I have an addiction. Anybody else have addictions? So in here, I have 2 different Anna Griffin products. I have the 3D Fancy French frames and the Flourish cut and emboss folders. And I'm looking forward to sharing some product reviews on this. So make sure you subscribe on that button, okay? Ring that bell, and you will definitely get notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm like so excited. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Love it. I cannot wait to do some tutorials on that. Let's see here. There's a second. That's just one of them. Done. Oh, gorgeous. I cannot wait to share with you the cards that I will make using these 2 dies from the 3D Fancy French frames. If you love this, let me know in the comment section, okay? And I got that from HSN. One of the reasons why I love HSN is because payment plan, hello, duh. If you have an Anna Griffin Addiction? Yeah, you're probably buying it from HSN. Did I say I work to keep my craft addiction alive? Anybody else like that? Oh, goodness. Okay, so here is the next one. And I'm so excited. This is the Ornate Flourish Cut and Emboss. Okay, and let's go ahead and open that one up. Ooh, lovely. Okay, so we get 2 emboss folders to make these ornate flourishes. I'm like so excited because you can always fancy it up, fancy those cards up. And so she gives examples of how you can use the ornate dies. Isn't that like so beautiful? I might have to try this one. Okay, so those, and that is one of the Anna Griffin packages I got. I do still have more Anna Griffin that is waiting to ship. It's on extended delivery. Anybody familiar with that term? You're like, I want it now. Okay, so then I got these 2 die sets, and you cannot get them on Anna Griffin's site, and I believe they are sold out on HSN as well. This is the A7 envelope dies. If you don't know what an A7 envelope die is, that is a 5x7 card. Love it. And so I will be doing a tutorial on this and how to instruct it. If you have not seen my tutorial on the square 6x6 envelope die, make sure you click on this card up here on the right hand corner. Okay, and you can learn how to assemble yours, because I don't think she has a tutorial out yet. And if you'd like to see the review, click on this card. Okay, now open up this one. Oh, try not to get a paper cut. Oh, goodness gracious. Those things are so hard to open. All right, this is the slim line envelope dies. And if you've never seen her slim line dies, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel because I own the slimline dies. Eventually I will have a tutorial on that. Absolutely love those. Here is an example of a couple of the slimline dies that I have made. The cards I've made. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And happy birthday and cheers to you. If you saw one of those cards and really want a tutorial on them, let me know if you would like to see a tutorial on 1, 2, 3, or all 3. And I'll be happy to share that with you. But this is an envelope that these cards can go into. And I am so excited. I'm also pretty excited that she left these labels here. That was pretty generous of her. And look at this. This is beautiful here. This is the envelope seal, which is very unique. Looking forward to that. Really am. So I will be doing a tutorial on that as well. Okay, let's get on to Amazon. Okay, Amazon makes me very, very happy. So one thing that is not an Amazon package, but I did get from Amazon, is this. This is the Hero Arts. What is this? Hero Arts. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, Pet Goldfish Frame Cuts. I recently got this goldfish bowl. And I started making a video on it, and I kind of stopped. Eventually, maybe there will be a video on this. I'm not sure. But I wasn't really that satisfied with this goldfish bowl. So I ended up getting another one. And so I'm hoping that it's going to be here in one of these packages. And I don't know why, but I have this like sea fetish now. Do you call it a sea fetish? It just, I can't get any sea the sea themed cards out of my head. So okay, so that's kind of interesting. All right, so I got these. This is really cute. Look at the octopuses and the jellyfish and the crab and the fish. That is too cute. Okay, so you're gonna see all of this is on a related theme of to the sea. Okay. Under the sea, under the sea. All right, and then this is a turtle die cuts card. Okay, so we're gonna put that over here. Open some more. So this is the hero cuts that matches this. Okay, so I'm looking forward to that. Then let's go ahead and open this. Oh yes, I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, so what we have here, is another fish bowl. Okay, and then I got this. It's much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. But we got turtles there and fish. And a little sand castle. So all of that is going to go with this whole theme. Okay. So I'm like really, really super excited about this. For some reason I thought I got a bigger turtle, but I guess I didn't. I went all crazy about my turtle colors. And the last thing in my haul is a Spellbinders seahorse and sand dollar. You always have to have that for the beach. I have the Stamps for Life fish tank beach pool summer stamps for card making, and that also goes with this this little die set here. So I'm like so super excited. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my haul. And make sure again to subscribe to my channel so you can see all of the things that I'm going to create. The tutorials, the reviews, everything. I'm like so excited, and I cannot wait to share with you what I create. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. And don't forget, if you want to be notified of the latest videos, please click on the bell.